Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free tool you could use to adjust the privacy settings of your Windows installation. So if you're into these type of tweaking or customization apps, you might like this. And I will say, when it comes to using these, do so at your own risk. Make a backup, create a system restore point, and all that other good stuff, because you never know what these things can do or what they will break. All right, so what we're going to be using is called WPD, Windows Privacy Dashboard. So you just download a zip file and run the executable, so there's nothing to install. And there's a README here if you want to check that out. Might be a good idea. All right, so we're going to run it here. We're going to have a UAC prompt, of course. So this was actually updated for Windows 11, so it is supported. All right, so right off the bat here we have this home screen. WPD is up to date. And 52 advanced settings available. For telemetry, we could disable it or revert it. Telemetry IPs, same thing, block or revert. And if you click on it, you get some more information. Block Windows telemetry if you want to do that, like so. Block third-party applications like Skype, Bing, and so on. You can do that. Block Windows Update. You can see here Windows Update could not be blocked due to geolocation. I don't think this would work anyways. It's kind of hard to block Windows Update, even though we did do a video on how to pause Windows Update up to 20 years, if you want to check that out as a way to get around not being able to block Windows Update. And if you change your mind, just come back and delete the rule like so. All right, so let's go back to privacy here. So here's some local group policy privacy items here that you could turn on or off as needed. You can see we have some Windows 10 references here for Cortana and so on. So I'm going to just turn that off like so and just kind of go through this list. We have some Edge options, some services, task scheduler, local group policy here, app permissions. So of course a lot of these settings you could get to from the Windows settings app, like for these permissions and so on, but this kind of gives you everything in one place. All right, services here, miscellaneous, and then Windows Update again. So you could try these. Like I said, for Windows Update, it's kind of hard to stop it. Even the scheduled restarts, you can't really stop those either. And then you could disable everything, including advanced settings, if you want to do that. All right, so we saw the blocker. So here's apps. So some of the common Windows apps, like Game Bar. Let's get rid of that. And so on. You could just kind of go through the list. Just make sure you don't delete something you didn't mean to or don't want to. Weather, so on. Say let's get rid of all the Xbox stuff, for example. You can see it kind of deleted it from the list there as I was clicking on it. You can see there's no Xbox here either. All right, then we have some settings here. If you want to create a restore point, which is a good idea, you can do it here, or you could do it from the regular restore point tool. Then you have some information about the program itself. All right, so as you can see, it might come in handy for some of your needs there. But like I said, just make sure you do a backup and system restore point before playing with something like this, because you never know what it's going to break. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download WPD. Then you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.